Have you ever wondered how to effectively manage cost, schedule, and technical performance on projects? Today, we delve into the world of Earned Value Management, or EVM, and its industry standard, EIA 748. EVM is a systematic approach that integrates and measures cost, schedule, and technical performance on projects. It provides objective insights for making project management decisions. Now, EIA 748 is the key industry standard for EVM implementation. It outlines 32 criteria for effective EVM systems and is widely used in both government and private sectors. The roots of EVM and EIA 748 can be traced back to the 1960s, when the US Department of Defense developed it for effective project control. Later, the National Defense Industrial Association, or NDIA, created EIA 748 in 1998 as an industry-standard version of DoD's criteria. The standard has seen updates over the years, with minor clarifications and additions, but the core criteria have remained unchanged. Now, what does EIA 748 require? It outlines 32 EVM's criteria, categorized into 5 sections: organization, planning and scheduling, accounting, analysis and reports, revisions, and data maintenance. What's great about EIA 748 is its flexibility. It allows for tailoring EVM implementation to specific project needs and organizational structures. There are 11 critical criteria outlined by EIA 748 for project success. These include the Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS, the Integrated Master Schedule, or IMS, the Performance Measurement Baseline, or PMB, Control Accounts and Control Account Managers, or CAMs, among others. These criteria form the foundation for effective project management and control, regardless of the industry or project type. The first 5 criteria focus on organization. They include defining the work scope into hierarchical tasks, assigning responsibility for tasks to organizational units, and managing control accounts. It's crucial that work authorization, scheduling, and cost accumulation processes are integrated. The next set of criteria, 6 to 15, focus on planning, scheduling, and budgeting. This includes creating a project roadmap, assigning resources to tasks, and establishing a time-phased budget baseline for measuring progress. The total planned budget for the project, management reserve, tracking and controlling changes to the budget, and handling unassigned or unauthorized funds are also important aspects. The 16th to 18th criteria revolve around earned value measurement. This includes defining work task types, determining earned value based on task completion, and the prerequisite for starting work and accruing costs. Next, we have criteria 19 to 24, which focus on accounting considerations. This encompasses aligning actual cost data with planned and budgeted costs, accurately tracking project resources and materials, and recognizing the delay in recognizing costs, which could potentially affect cost variances. Finally, criteria 25 to 30 pertain to analysis and management reports. These include identifying and addressing cost and schedule deviations, pinpointing root causes and corrective actions, aggregating data for project-level insights, and forecasting project completion date and cost. In summary, understanding and implementing EVM with EIA 748 can significantly improve project management effectiveness. It provides a systematic approach to integrating and measuring cost, schedule, and technical performance, offering objective insights for decision-making. Remember, it's not just about following the 32 criteria. It's about tailoring these to the specific needs of your projects and your organization. By doing so, you can ensure project success, no matter the industry or project type.